Okay, the first thing you're going to want to know for angel food cake is the ingredients. So you're going to need 1.5 cups of powdered sugar, 1 cup of cake flour, 1.5 cups of egg whites, which is about 12 eggs if you do it from eggs, 1.5 teaspoons of cream of tartar, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla, half a teaspoon of almond extract, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So the first thing you want to do after you get all your ingredients together is preheat your oven, and you want to preheat it to 375. Okay. Next you want to put the sugar and the flour together and mix that up. After that, you want to put the egg whites and the cream of tartar into another bowl. And you want to use an electric mixer on about medium to get those together. Mix this up. Add in the sugar about 2 teaspoons at a time into the egg whites and cream of tartar, and you want to beat these on high until it's mixed. Once this is mixed up, you want to add in your almond extract, your salt, and your vanilla. Once you add those in, then you want to mix it again on high until everything is mixed together. Once you have that mixed up, you want to add in your powdered sugar and flour mixture from earlier, and you want to add it in at about 1/4 cup, and you just sprinkle it over the top. Once you add in your sugar and flour mix, you want to stir with a spoon really slowly and gently. And just make sure it gets all mixed up. Once you have your batter all mixed up, you want to put your mixture into an angel food cake pan, which looks like this. And just pour it really slowly into the pan. I got my recipe from the Betty Crocker website. After you get your mixture into the pan, you can put it in the oven once it's preheated. And you want to make sure it's on the bottom rack, and you put it in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Now that your cake is done, you want to take it out of the oven. And it should look something like this. And you want to take a bottle and stick the top of it right through the middle. And then you want to flip it so that the bottle is standing upright and the cake is upside down. And you let it cool like this for 2 hours. Okay, so before I show you the finished product, I'll tell you a little bit about angel food cake. So it said to be started in southeastern Pennsylvania, but it didn't show up in recipes and cookbooks until the 1870s. And it was called angel food cake for the first time in the 1896 edition of the Boston Cooking School cookbook. I got my history facts from Cakespy.com. I got my nutrition facts from fatsecret.com. Some nutrition facts about angel food cake is that it has 72 calories as opposed to like chocolate cake, which has about 235 calories, so it's really healthy for you. It also only has 0.22 grams of fat, 16.18 grams of carbs, and 1.65 grams of protein. So when you're finished, your cake should look like this, and That's after you let it cool for 2 hours, and you just gently tap the pan to get it out. And if it sticks, then take a knife and cut around the edge, and it'll come out easier. Mine actually fell out of the pan as it was cooling upside down, which is okay too. It takes less to cool than if it does that, and all you have to do is pick it up and put it on a plate, and you're done. And that is how you make angel food cake.